Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to replace files in Claude Projects. If you want to replace a file in a Claude project, there's currently no one-click replace button. Instead, you need to remove the old file and upload the updated version. So Claude will then use the new file as part of the project's knowledge base. So to start, open Claude and sign into your account. Then, once you're signed in, on the left side, go ahead and select Projects. So this is where you can see all of your latest projects. So next, select the project containing the file that you want to replace. Now, once you're here in the project knowledge section or the file section right here in the bottom right, locate the file you want to replace. Then delete or remove the existing file from the knowledge base or from the files. So to remove them, just click this X button right here and it will be removed or deleted. Now, to add another file or a new file, you can drag it or you can click this plus button right here and you can click upload from device to select files from your computer. So click on that and select the file you want to upload. So wait for Claude to finish processing the new file before using it in your chat. And that's it. So use the same file name for updated versions to keep your project organized. Replace files whenever you make significant changes instead of repeatedly uploading new copies. So if you update documents frequently, consider including version numbers. For example, marketing guide version 2.pdf until you're ready to remove older versions. So again, to upload new files, just click this plus button right here and you can click upload from device or you can upload from Drive, Figma, or GitHub. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.